Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now in today's class we will discuss about the optical path and what is the relation of the optical path with the medium and the air. Okay. So what is optical path? That a distance d traversed by light in a medium of refractive index mu has an equivalent displacement or optical path mu d in the air. Okay, so whenever a ray of light is moving in a medium, if it has displacement d, equivalent displacement in air must be there, and that is nothing but the mu into d, and that mu d is called as a optical path. Here this optical path represents by the mu refractive index of the medium, and d it is the displacement in the medium d. Okay, so how to represent this? Let's see this diagram. I have shown in this diagram that a medium of refractive index mu is kept here, and a ray of light is moving inside the medium with a displacement or with a velocity v to the displacement d. Okay, and similarly in the same time period, the same type of wave, it can move in the air by the distance as shown here with a velocity c, because in air or in vacuum the velocity of ray of light it is c, and in the medium we have represented here with a v. Okay, so when in the similar time we are considering that, so in time t the velocity is given by v into displacement d. Okay, similarly for the second it will be c into displacement whatever in the second. That is the optical path we are having. Okay, so in this way we are getting here that optical path can be written as mu into d. Okay, so how we can represent here? Let's solve this with the help of equation, so you will get the clear idea. Now we'll start with the refractive index. We know that refractive index can be given as c divided by mu. C in the second medium, let's displacement represented by d dash. So c d dash divided by t, and divided by v, it is d by t as shown in the diagram. Distance travelled in medium is d. In time t remains same. So d dash by t divided by d by t. T get cancelled. So here we are getting here mu is equals to d dash divided by d. So what is d dash? Distance travelled in the second medium, that means second medium is in the air or vacuum, that means the optical path. So d dash or optical path, by cross multiplication we are getting here mu into d. So mu refractive index of the medium and distance travelled by the ray in that medium, if we multiply these two we will get the optical path which is associated with this displacement. Okay, so hope you understand this concept of the optical path. If you have any doubt, please comment here. Like our videos, share it and subscribe.